Last Sunday, Lily and her friends planned the perfect picnic. The sun was shining, birds were chirping, and everyone was excited. They packed a basket full of delicious treats: crispy fried chicken, creamy potato salad, fresh fruit buttery, croissants, and of course Lily's famous double chocolate brownies. "We'll have a feast," said Max, licking his lips. They set off to Green Hill Park, spreading their checkered picnic blanket under a shady tree. The smell of food filled the air. "Let's dig in," shouted Sara, opening a container of macaroni and cheese. Just as everyone grabbed their paper plates and plastic forks, disaster struck. A huge gust of wind blew over the tablecloth. The napkins flew like birds. The lemonade pitcher tipped, and the potato salad flipped upside down. "Oh, no, my brownies!" cried Lily, as a dog ran past and grabbed one right from the plate. Max dropped his sandwich, and Sarah's croissant got squashed under her foot. The fried chicken flew into a nearby bush. They stood there in silence, mouths open, surrounded by a mess of food. "This picnic is a disaster," groaned Max. But Lily took a deep breath. "Wait, we can still fix this." She opened her cooler bag and pulled out some apples, a bag of chips, and a few granola bars. "It's not a five-star meal," she said, "but we've got something." Sara laughed, "And look, the lemonade is still drinkable, kind of." They brushed off the crumbs, shared what little they had left, and made jokes about flying chicken and ninja brownies. Soon, they were laughing so hard their stomachs hurt. Later, Lily said, "I guess a picnic isn't just about fancy food. It's about the company," Max added. "And the memories, even messy ones." They learned something important that day: not just food vocabulary like grilled, crispy, creamy, and refreshing, but also words like gratitude, joy, and teamwork. So next time you plan a perfect day and it goes wrong, remember, you can always turn disaster into laughter, especially with good friends and a granola bar. Vocabulary from the story: fried chicken, food cooked in oil until crispy as potato salad, cold dish made with potatoes, mayonnaise, and herbs; croissant, soft, buttery French bread as macaroni and cheese, pasta and creamy cheese sauce; granola bar, snack made from oats, nuts, and honey; cooler bag, insulated bag to keep food cold; feast, a large, delicious meal; to dig in, expression meaning let's start eating.